Hello, and welcome to this 21st century Chinese adventure, a spectacular steam-hauled journey through the dramatic landscapes of Inner Mongolia. A few minutes after each uphill slog, the bankers roll quickly and almost silently downgrade to await their next job. These engines are well maintained. There's no clanging big ends or steam leaks. Would we have enough film? I was beginning to wonder. As the sun slips beyond the horizon, some of us put our cameras away just to watch and soak up steam at dusk. Still climbing continuously, the train now crosses the second horseshoe viaduct to turn back on itself in the direction of Jingpeng, which it left some 45 minutes before.